Welcome back to the channel. This is a custom washroom from start to finish. Right here you can see me laying down some coupling membrane for some heated wires, and we move right on to the dry pack, just like that. That's a 40-inch linear drain tileable. I'm just smoothing out the dry pack here, making sure it's nice and flat. No humps, no dips. And right here, as you can see, the heated cables are already installed inside the shower itself and the washroom floor. So I'm just moving along with the waterproofing. The waterproofing you see me doing there is a product called Hydroban. It's a paint-on waterproofing. It takes 2 layers with some crack isolation fabric. Moving on to the tile install for the walls. These are 4 feet by 4 feet tiles. They're very heavy and very fragile. And every single millimeter counts with your measurements. So you got to measure 1,000 times and cut once. Making sure everything's nice and level. Mitered return on the shelf. And here we are moving along on the return on the partition wall. Nice and square. Always make sure you're square. Nice and tight, ready for epoxy. Archwork. Difficulty on the archwork for the inside, 4 out of 10. I just did a template out of cardboard, trace it onto a big tile, cut it, put it in. Now the arch itself on the outside, difficulty, I would say a 7 out of 10. It took a bit of math work to do this, to figure out the angle, and the angle that I'm cutting off the tile was cut off the entire arch, so about 30 tiles, just for around the top of the arch. Everything was mitered, and that's a finished product. I took the laser line from the hardwood tile there onto the porcelain tile on the floor, ran it all the way up into the wall. So we have one continuous flow. Here we are with the returns, the mitered edges on the shelf inside the arch. And we have some marble pencil borders going in. Looks like a dentist at work here. It took a lot of time. The finished product for this washroom was completely exquisite. Everybody was happy with it. It took some time, but if you take your time, you'll get a better product in the end. I'm just cleaning the joint out, sponging it out, putting the last little pieces in, and boom. Final pieces in the arch, and that's a finished product. Next, you're going to see me doing a fits vent. This is a custom vent. You can put in a tile instead of your standard register. And that's that. Right here, I'm doing some epoxy mixing, trying to match the color of the tile. I came close, but not close enough. I'm just applying it inside the joint, smoothing it out. And next you're going to see me sanding it down, shaping it, and getting rid of any excess epoxy stuck to the tile. Right here I'm shaping it with a sanding block. I'm just grinding out the joint there to fill in with grout. And that's a finished product with the epoxy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment, like, subscribe. I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know anything I can do to improve my videos. Criticism is a friend of mine, not an enemy. Thanks again for watching. And again, I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya!